going to an ERP system such as NetSuite, where everything is in there, and being able to see everything globally, manage your vendors, manage your customers, manage your accounting, your human resources, your assemblies, your production, everything. This is what, helps a company grow. Oasis helped us with the evaluation of the software. I think they're experts in the industry. They understand the questions that they need to ask. You don't know what you don't know. And again, we were coming from, very simple platforms, and they did the due diligence. Where is the company now? Where does the company want to, where do we want to go in the future? And being able to explain to us, what we may need to implement. So they really did, they took the time, asked the questions, and helped us to move forward.